Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Uber Eats promo code not applied. Let's begin. First, check the promo code terms and conditions. Promo codes often have restrictions such as first-time user only, minimum order value, expiration date, geographical restriction, or restaurant limitation. If your order doesn't meet these conditions, try another promo code. Always make sure your order fits the required criteria. Next, make sure you're a first-time user. If you're not sure, try creating a new Uber Eats account with a different email address and phone number. This can help you qualify for the first-time user promo codes. Another thing to verify is the promo code entry. Check for extra spaces, spelling mistakes, or incorrect capitalization. Ensure that all letters and numbers are typed exactly as they appear. If none of these steps work, don't worry. You can always contact Uber Eats support for further assistance. They can help resolve any issues you're facing with applying promo codes. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.